Here are the 3 biggest mistakes I made in self-publishing as a children's book author and illustrator so that you don't have to. Number 1, don't wait for the perfect timing to get your idea rolling. Get to work on compiling your ideas right away and then get some good feedback. You know, I joined a writer's group where I was able to take my manuscript and bring it to this group, and they gave me some awesome feedback and some great ideas to keep working on my book. That leads us to point number 2. Don't do it alone. Find a process. There's an online school called the School of Visual Storytellers. Jake Parker and Will Terry. It's a great group of artists and illustrators who will give you a process. They actually have a class now called Self-Publishing Pro. You can do that online and it's a great help. You know, I dragged my feet for many years even because I didn't have a process. And so you can find out from the wisdom of others, you know, how to get a process. I eventually took a class in Boston at Mass Art called Writing and Illustrating Picture Books, and that gave me a process. Number 3, get your butt in the chair or you will never finish the book. And what that is an encouragement to me. I actually made a little poster that said, get your butt in the chair or you'll never finish the book. I would walk by my desk every day, unless I worked on it, and we never would finish the book. I sat down with a fellow author early on in the process, and she shared with me 3 simple words: finish the book. And that was my mantra to keep going, to keep working and get my butt in the chair. So I encourage you, if you want to write or illustrate a children's picture book, keep working at it, learn from others' mistakes and learn from others' wisdom, and eventually it'll lead to you publishing your own children's picture books. If you want to check out my work, go to thecowsvillemoo.com. I've got picture books and moo merch and coloring books, and what a great way to share the love of art, and for me, the love of music and reading and laughter. Moo ya!